Hi there everybody. I just wanted to show you something that I think is a very nice idea. I really don't know why they call it hand washing, because it's a pain in the butt to wash something with the hands. You know, you get tired. And you know, sometimes you don't want to use the washing machine because you only want to wash a couple of things. And there you go. You need to wash them with your hands. Not anymore, because right now we're gonna go back to the old times. Did you know that? Of course, you know that. And before, the grapes used to be put like in a huge container, and people used to walk on them. So you know, to take the juice and make wine. Well, it's the same concept here. You see, if instead of using your hands, you use your feet, right? You can exert much more force and wash it, you know, more thoroughly. You don't get tired at all. It's not like when you wash by hand with the hands. And on top of that, you know, for some of you who might have a little bit of dirt in your feet, well, it's a perfect way of cleaning them, you know. Yeah. Killing all that bacteria and fungus that sometimes some people have. It's a joke, but no, seriously, this really works way better, trust me, than washing things with the hand. So there you go. I hope this inspires you, you know, to do this sometime. Thank you. Bye.